Here's how to add fog to your game in Roblox Studio. Open your game and look at the Explorer panel on the right side of the screen. Find Lighting and click the drop-down arrow to expand it. Inside, you'll see Atmosphere. Click on it to select it, then look at the Properties panel. There are two main settings that control the fog effect. The first is Haze. Increasing this adds a hazy, foggy look to the sky and distant objects. The second is Density. This controls how thick the fog is overall. The higher the value, the less you can see. Set it to 0 and there's no fog at all. Set it to max and everything disappears. Find a value that works for your game. Somewhere around 0.4 to 0.6 is a good starting point for a subtle effect. You can also change the color of the fog by adjusting the color property under Atmosphere. This lets you create effects like a yellow dusty haze, a blue misty morning, or a dark eerie fog. Play around with the settings until it looks the way you want. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.